Can you tell me more about your apprenticeship program?
Yeah, we started 30 years ago a journeyman's program, an accredited journeyman's program with Delta Community College. So we've most recently did some tweaks to the curriculum, kind of updating it, right? Because it was about 30 years old. So
Mhm.
the team did a phenomenal job working with them. One of the things at Delta, they actually have a Roll-O-Matic, CNC Roll-O-Matic grinder at this community college. So not only do they have an
Whoa.
Akuma lathe, they have a 5-axis Haas, they have all kinds of Haas's, VF2s, lathes, mills.
That sounds
how
like a
they have
real deal
grinders.
shop.
So the students are actually making their own tools and breaking their own tools, which is really cool.
That's a real deal
Journeyman
shop.
program is encompassed with Delta Community College. We have a curriculum together, and we actually, once we hire, I think we're up to 9 employees right now going through it. So we work with them to
Wow.
where they can get paid while they go to school. We pay for their school. If they get an A, it's 100% paid. A B is 80% paid. A C is 70% covered. So they can finish their
Awesome.
journeyman and get their certificate while they're working for us. So it's a great program. I think it's important, Greg, and you know this too in your community, is that there's such a need for talent that these employees, and we've done it, you hire them right when you get exposed to them in a job shadow, and they don't finish their course. Well, that doesn't do our community colleges any good, right? Because they only get 1 semester of payment, and it doesn't do us good. We want them to finish it. So I think it's important that these kids get that accredited certificate.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with what's new.